surge watch has been upgraded to a storm surge warning, and a hurricane watch has been upgraded to a hurricane warning for the following areas in New York, Northwest Suffolk, Northeast Suffolk, and Southeast Suffolk, and the following areas in Connecticut, Southern New Haven, Southern Middlesex, and Southern New London. A storm surge watch has been upgraded to a storm surge warning, and a tropical storm watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning for the following area in Connecticut, Southern Fairfield. A tropical storm watch is in effect for the following areas in New York,